This video because it's been reported that the sink drain is draining really slow, or basically it's draining at all. It's not draining. So I'm making this video so I know you guys sometimes have a hard time or don't know how to do it to clean the drain. Well, if you do this, it's gonna be, and after you clean it, if you still having that experience that the drain is still low, you have to call the plumber. But this is one of the basic that in this place here, right here, you remove this nut here and remove this shaft here. Then you leave the center of that drain plug. Once you remove that, you pull it out. Just in case, before you start, you put a drip pan or something to hold the leak, just in case it's leaking. Once you pull it out, you will see a lot of hair, all kind of nasty stuff. So if you don't like that much to get dirty, you might want to use gloves, but it will save you a lot of money. So if you have any questions or you need help, just ask me. I will make a video for you. Let me know. I'm gonna start the video. Let me see if I can do it recording. I had to do it, just use a channel locks. I had this type, I got those from the army. The army gave it to me. Actually, yes. I served by this country. Just get loose. And then there's a seal here. Make sure you don't lose it. You see? I have a lot of hair. First of all, I have a lot of hair. So that's the last thing I'm gonna clean it. Then pull that out. You will see. You see how nasty this is. All I'm gonna do before clean this, I'm gonna put the plug back in. I'm gonna run the water. Put the seal back in. I'm gonna run the water. I'm gonna make sure to get all that thing out. I've seen worse. I mean, I can tell you I've seen worse. So, run the hot water. I use my finger because that's nasty. So. I use my soap and clean it. See, hair. Bunch of hair. I want to do something wrong because this thing closed. It's going good. It's working so far, so good. While the water was running, I decided to clean it a little bit. You don't need to be perfect. Just, you know how far you can clean it. You want to leave it really nice and clean. You want to just remove the big stuff out. It's gonna get dirty in a couple months again, but it will you will save a lot of money just not calling the plumber. But I do that stuff at home, so I put it back together. Everything is done. Just removing whatever was left in here. It's nice and draining. It's working the way it's supposed to. So, leave your comment below. Subscribe for more. I'm gonna whatever job I do at home, I'm gonna record it for you. So help everyone around. Peace.